The overwhelming fatigue hit me like a wall at age 57. Despite adequate sleep, healthy eating, and regular exercise, I couldn't shake the persistent exhaustion that drained my days and limited my life. As a medical researcher specializing in herbal medicine, I knew there had to be answers beyond the standard "it's just aging" explanation. My search led me to an ancient herb with remarkable modern research backing its effectiveness. Astragalus, known as Wengqi in traditional Chinese medicine, has been used for over 2,000 years to combat fatigue and strengthen vitality. What I discovered about this powerful adaptogen transformed my energy levels and quality of life after 55. According to research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Astragalus contains bioactive compounds that support cellular energy production and combat the oxidative stress that contributes to age-related fatigue. My personal experience with Astragalus began with skepticism. After decades researching herbal remedies, I've seen countless miracle cures fail to deliver. But the clinical evidence for Astragalus was compelling enough to warrant self-experimentation. Studies from the National Institutes of Health identify Astragalus as an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body resist various stressors and restore normal physiological functioning. This quality makes it particularly valuable for addressing age-related energy decline. I began with a modest daily dose of Astragalus root extract, 500 milligrams taken with breakfast. The research suggested benefits might take several weeks to manifest, so I committed to a 3-month trial while tracking my energy levels daily. The initial changes were subtle. Around week 2, I noticed I wasn't experiencing the 3 p.m. energy crash that had become my daily norm. By week 4, I was completing full workdays without the desperate need for an afternoon nap. Research published in the Chinese Journal of Integrative Medicine explains this gradual improvement. Astragalus appears to enhance mitochondrial function, the cellular power plants that decline in efficiency as we age. This doesn't happen overnight but builds progressively. The most dramatic changes emerged after 6 weeks of consistent use. Morning fatigue, which had previously required multiple cups of coffee to overcome, noticeably diminished. I woke feeling refreshed rather than exhausted before the day even began. My experience aligns with clinical findings from the Mayo Clinic College of Medicine, which has recognized certain adaptogens for their ability to improve resilience to physical and mental stress, key factors in age-related fatigue. By month 3, friends and colleagues commented on my renewed energy and focus. Activities I'd abandoned due to fatigue, evening walks, weekend projects, social gatherings, gradually returned to my life. The cumulative effect was truly transformative. The science behind Astragalus reveals multiple mechanisms that explain its energy-boosting effects in older adults. It contains potent antioxidants that combat the oxidative damage accumulating in our cells as we age. Research in the Journal of Biological Regulators and Homeostatic Agents shows Astragalus polysaccharides help regulate immune function, which often becomes dysregulated with age. This immune modulation reduces the energy-draining chronic inflammation common after 55. Astragalus also supports healthy cortisol patterns, the stress hormone that, when chronically elevated or disrupted, can severely impact energy levels. This stress-adaptive benefit may explain why many users report improved sleep quality alongside increased daytime energy. Studies from the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine demonstrate Astragalus can improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to tissues. This enhanced circulation delivers more nutrients and oxygen to cells, supporting improved energy production throughout the body. My research revealed important considerations for effective use. Quality matters tremendously with herbal supplements. Standardized extracts containing measured levels of active compounds provide more consistent results than unregulated, generic products. Dosage timing also influences effectiveness. Morning administration aligns with natural cortisol rhythms, potentially enhancing the adaptive benefits. Splitting larger doses between morning and early afternoon may provide more sustained energy throughout the day. Combining Astragalus with moderate exercise amplifies its benefits. Research in the International Journal of Sports Medicine suggests adaptogens may enhance exercise performance and recovery, creating a synergistic effect for combating age-related fatigue. Patience proves essential when working with adaptogenic herbs. Unlike stimulants that provide immediate but short-lived energy boosts, Astragalus works by gradually optimizing biological systems.